Hey, today in this video, I'm going to share some essential things that you need to consider before buying a smartphone right now. We will discuss everything from battery life to the camera quality, software updates and much more. By the end of this video, you will have all the necessary knowledge to make a smart investment and choose the perfect phone that suits your needs. Subscribe to our channel to stay in touch with us. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First and foremost, it is important to buy the latest model available in the market. The technology is growing very fast and smartphones are getting outdated faster than ever. If you buy a phone that was released even a year ago, it might not support the latest web technologies. If you are looking for budget phones, then always go for the latest ones. The next thing is assessing your needs. The most important thing before buying a phone is to assess your needs. If you want a phone with a good camera, then you will have to make compromises in other areas to get the best camera phone. If you want a phone with a high performing processor which is good for gaming, you might have to sacrifice good camera specs. You won't find a perfect phone with all the features you need. It will have both pros and cons. You should decide which features you are ready to give up and which ones are not. Then you can look for a phone accordingly. Next is build quality. There are three materials mainly used in making smartphone body: plastic, metal and glass. Glass is mostly used in flagship phones. If you are a person who is prone to accidentally dropping your phone, then you should opt for a phone that has a metal body. Though it might cost more, it offers better durability and a shiny look. A plastic body is also good, but it doesn't give that look and feel while holding the phone. It is the most commonly used material in budget phones. Next thing is display. Display size should be in the range 5.5, 6 or 6.5 inches for a better video watching experience. A display bigger than that will only make the phone bigger and difficult to hold and carry around. In terms of resolution, you should look for a phone with a Full HD or QHD resolution for better viewing experience. Refresh rates of around 60 Hz or above is great. Next is processor. Processor is the most important component to look for while buying a smartphone. If you want your phone to be smooth, fast and be able to multitask, the processor should be good. Snapdragon and MediaTek are the lead smartphone processor manufacturers right now. Snapdragon is considered best for high-end devices and for gaming. MediaTek provides more affordable processors with good performance. If you are into budget phones, MediaTek's Dimensity 810, Dimensity 900 or Dimensity 930 and version above will be great for smooth and fast experience. Snapdragon also produces processors in the affordable range. Smartphones with Snapdragon 695 or above versions are great for a budget phone. The processor clock speed should be around 2 GHz. Next thing is camera. Most people think that more megapixels means a better camera, but that's not necessarily true. A phone with a 12 or 16 megapixel camera can be better than 108 megapixel camera phones. The resolution also plays a major role in the camera's clarity. You should also check different image processing features provided by the phone. You can check different videos on the internet comparing the camera and select from it. Most budget phones do not have a good camera. If you want a perfect camera, you will have to look for flagship phones. Next thing is battery. Battery capacity is important if you want to use your phone for longer time. A battery with a higher mAh rating indicates that it has a greater capacity to hold charge and thus last longer. A battery capacity of 5000 mAh is good. However, you can't just look at this number and say it will last longer. It's not just the battery capacity that determines its performance. The amount of power consumed by each component in your phone also plays a significant role. So to get an estimate of how long a phone's battery lasts, you should check online reviews. The next most important thing is software. Nowadays, most budget phones have impressive specs like RAM, display, battery, processor, etc. However, if you want a smooth experience while using the phone, you need to look at the software. Not many budget phones have good software that is free of ads and bloatware. Look for smartphones with stock Android. Stock Android gives you a different feel while using the phone. I personally like stock Android very much. There may not be many features, but the UI is clean and neat. Recently launched phone, Motorola Moto G73 5G, is an excellent budget phone with stock Android experience. While buying a smartphone, you should also make sure you receive software updates for at least 2 years. The last thing is network and connectivity. The network technology is getting faster and more secure. If you want to stay up to date and want a faster connection, you should try to get a smartphone with Wi-Fi 6. Most budget phones come with Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 4. So try to get at least Wi-Fi 5. 5G connection is also becoming more popular and widely available. So it's worth considering if it's available in your area. So these were some of the important factors to consider before buying a smartphone. We hope this video was helpful for you. Let us know in the comments which smartphone you are planning to buy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.